Tuesday, June 17th, and Dad has been busy on the blue 1952 wide gauge here. His plans of gardening all summer got stymied by me because I told him to get back to work on this stuff here. And he felt like, yeah, now was the right time. The garden's in, everything's watered, all the little mini jobs he's been avoiding here are all done. So he's got the newspaper and tape on the Bombardier and all the windows, and he is going to progress on that. I know here late yesterday afternoon he was working on sanding here. Looks like he got these doors primed today. I can see there's paint over top of the doors, windows, and so at least one side has been done, and he's going to be doing more. Found a good source for a new window already. So he has got to start on the next step here of doing the rest of the newspaper and tape on this side. And he will commence with that project very soon. And I can see he did a little bit of extra work here and here, and he must have done that in between after the priming here. So he's got a bunch of his buddies here right now visiting, and yeah, there's a bit more work right up there that he's done. And so he must have gotten the go-ahead to keep on going from the customer, because I know there was some questions about some of the progress work here. So we'll check in with Dad, but like I said, he is busy with his buddies right now visiting. And it's, like I said, it's June 17th. And I want to let everybody know that Dad is going to be 83 years old on June 27th. So you might see this video on that date or before or around that date, but if you can comment on this video and let Dad know happy birthday, that would be fantastic. Or you can even give him a call at the shop and tell him that you like watching his videos. Phone number is 204-623-6328, and again, that's 204-623-6328. And he's usually here a little after 9, feeds the dogs, does his thing. But if you called him and wished him a happy birthday, he'd probably love that. Other than that, he hasn't done anything on this, and he's got to go out of town again for a couple of days. So I'll be doing some few tasks around the shop, mostly just grass cutting, but that's what Dad's got accomplished today, and we'll go check in on the boys. What are your YouTube subscribers, and introduce them to everybody here?
Me?
Yeah.
This is my partner, Donnie Lendl. We grew up together.
Hi, Donnie. How are you?
Oh, I'm this good. Is one of my best buddies here, Peter Dunlop.
Yeah.
And there's another one of my best buddies, Francis.
Yes.
Sednak.
Okay.
We're all about.
So this is what Dad does in between working on Bombardiers, is visit with his buddies.
4 is happy hour.
There you go.
We get together and compare notes in the garden.
Yeah. Okay. So when you don't see Dad working on machines, he does a lot of this.
I just finished.
Yeah.